The king bolete, Boletus, edulis.
Check out this porcini. What did we just find? It's springtime and there's a bunch of pine. Oh yeah! I have to share this with a slug, but that is a
holy shit.
That's a beautiful king. You want to grab it? This is your first one, so this is Heather's first time finding a porcini.
Oh my goodness. Look at it.
Wow. That's a beauty. That's a nice one.
That's gorgeous. And the sun is on it. Wow. Nice.
Let me take this for 1 second. Do a little. Ooh, look at that. White pores, nice fatty stalk.
That is a fat stalk.
Oh yeah, fat stalk. And we got all the pines here, so we're in the right habitat. Spring porcini, Boletus edulis. Here, give this a little tap for me. Oh yeah. Beautiful porcini.
Ooh, look at this perfectly brown porcini. Wow. Let's try a piece of this perfectly brown porcini. Nutty, sweet, super meaty. Wow, that is such a tasty mushroom. Gotta love the king bolete.